You know, the software that we use for routing packages, filling orders, things like that throughout the warehouse is really similar among many of our clients. However, every client has some unique requirements or operational procedures that they use that requires to have custom code, custom designs, special little configurations, things like that to fill their needs. I believe that ironing out this process of being able to ensure that we know how to build things exactly the same over and over and over again, how we can represent the configurations on site back here, that's been a very big initiative taken on by the software department. And I really think that it's been born out of the demands from our clients. Right? You know, we have clients that have more complex distribution centers that require more from us. And so we have to deliver more.
Fortna is growing as a global company. In the last company update, John White mentioned 50% of the net booking is done outside of the North America. To get aligned and contribute to Fortna's growth, software team has come up with agile development and delivery processes to improve overall quality and optimize solution to our client.
Fortna Software is dedicated to delivering quality that exceeds our clients' expectations. We are in tight alignment between our developers and our QA team to deliver an optimized solution to the client. One way that we do that is through our agile development process. The agile process itself is designed to deliver small pieces of functionality for the project. So we're delivering smaller chunks that are fully tested as opposed to a more waterfall where we get the requirements up front, we develop the whole project, and then we deliver it and test it as a whole at the end in more of an end-to-end test. Part of the process is we have a sprint planning meeting where we all agree to what will be delivered as part of this sprint. The goal of this meeting is to walk out of here with everybody, having already read the documents coming into the meeting. You come to the meeting and you make your final commitment saying, I read the documents, I think I can support items 1, 2, and 3. I don't see that I can support item 4. I don't think I have enough time. And then we make our final commitments here. After that, we have a daily Scrum meeting where the team members come and they answer 3 questions. The 3 questions are, what have you completed since yesterday? What do you plan to complete today? And what are your impediments?
As you know, I primarily work on the front-end DC Manager workstation GUI. And this sprint for Carter's, I've been working on the USS Wave screen. I added a couple tabs, got a Activate Wave button working as well as the Release Wave button, and I've also been working on the Shoot Status screen.
And then at the end of the sprint cycle, we have what we call a sprint review. So the sprint review is where the developers come to demonstrate the deliverables that they have developed over the sprint. They also are required to have unit tested their code, and if there's any interface between different layers of the code, maybe an automation controller to a COM-core process or to the middleware, they're required to have integration testing, have an integration testing plan, and also be able to demonstrate that as part of the sprint review.
When they explain the test plan and the design, the team as well as the project stakeholder has an opportunity to assess and review the design.
Thank goodness, I'm gonna get those off my...
Well, I want to share my screen so I can show my priorities, Warwick. Hold on, we're showing really fast.
Ow. Why didn't that work?
Testing, testing, testing. Yes. To improve overall quality, testing and test cases is vital. Development team and the QA team prepare various test scripts. Development team prepare unit test script as well as the integration test script.
We test every possible destination and also every exception that can happen in an automated manner, and the results of these tests are evaluated as to whether they succeed or fail, and an email is sent to key people on the team when these run automatically overnight to tell you whether something failed or succeeded.
QA team prepare complete functional testing and the regression test scripts.
So our QA testing team is not only operating in the office, we're operating in the field with the implementation people, with the MHS commissioning persons. So communications is vital to getting the job done efficiently, and we can communicate across the state, across the country, now in other parts of the world. Literally, we have a world of opportunity here.
Test environment is created with the replica of the production environment. Before we move software to the production, software is tested in a different test environment with all the test script written by development team as well as QA team.
We're working in software R&D to take a look at the latest technologies that are being developed and brought to the consumer market, and to see how those technologies can be applied to the warehouse systems. And the end goal is to bring more opportunity to the WCS offerings that we bring to our clients. We want to become the SAP of the WCS market and be able to provide data and services and process for our clients, and be able to do that using the latest technology that's available.
We have an opportunity to make it, just a world-class WCS product that no other competitor can touch. I mean, we're that dedicated to getting our quality and the features, the look and feel of it where it has to be.